All right, day 2. Adding and subtracting rational expressions, same denominator. So not that big of an issue. These are just going to be a little bit bigger, a little bit more difficult. So starting with the addition ones, this is my denominator, 12x squared minus 8x. They both have it. Just copy it down. Great. Up top, I have 3 plus x minus 2. Now, the x stands alone, so there's x. 3 minus 2 is 1. It's a positive 1. And what I can do is I can factor this denominator. Maybe we could take something out. I don't know. So anyway, over here, I'm going to take out a 4x, and I'll be left with 3x minus 2. So that's my new denominator, 4x, 3x minus 2. Does anything go away? No. That's all we got. All right. One down, several to go. Changing the color. My denominator, I'm going to go ahead and factor it first. So these are the same thing. I'm going to take out a 4x again, and I'll be left with 3x plus 4. All right, so 4x, 3x plus 4 in parentheses. Now, here and here, I'm just adding these two. So it's going to be x minus 3 plus x minus 4. So x plus x is 2x. Negative 3 minus 4 is negative 7 or minus 7. This is all over 4x, parentheses 3x plus 4. Nothing goes away, so that's our answer right there. Done. All right, moving on. Let's pick the right one. Yeah, why not? Let's pick the right one. So same denominator. I'm going to go ahead and factor it. Factoring out a 4x, which seems to be very prevalent here. 4x minus 1. X minus 1 is what you get. So I'm going to put that here. 4x, x minus 1. The numerator, 3x plus 1 plus x plus 1. So I get 4x plus 2. Ooh, this is fun. All right. And that's all over 4x, parentheses, x minus 1. Now, big thing we have to deal with here. We have to factor when we can. Up top, we can take out a 2. When you take out a 2, you're left with 2x plus 1. The bottom is still 4x, parentheses, x minus 1. Now, since these are being multiplied here and these are being multiplied here, I can take these two and simplify them. They're both divisible by 2. That turns into a 1, which basically goes away. So my numerator, I don't need a parenthesis here, I can just write, my numerator is 2x plus 1. The denominator, now 4 divided by 2 is 2. So 2x, x minus 1. So I know there's a 2x here and a 2x there, but these are being added. So this is how we have to look at that. As one binomial. All right, and this is one binomial. If those don't match up, you can't get rid of them. All right. Next up, these are already factored. That's kind. So the top is going to be r plus 4 plus r plus 1. My denominator is this big thing. So what am I doing x? What's that? So 2 and r plus 3. R plus 2. So the top is going to be 2r plus 5. The bottom is still 2, parentheses, r plus 3, r plus 2. Can't factor the top, so we are done. That's it. All right. I don't need to show you number 6, do I? Nah, that would be any fun anyway. All right. Next one, left or right. I like V's better than M, so let's do 8. So, here we go. We're adding. Denominator is still V plus 1 and V minus 2. My numerator is going to be V plus 2 plus 2V. Great. So my numerator is 3V plus 2. My denominator is V plus 1, V minus 2. Can't do anything, can't factor the top, so you are done. Nothing goes away. Nothing makes 1, nothing. Yeah, we're good. That's it. All right. Now we're subtracting. All right. So here's how it works. The denominator is 2 parentheses x minus 2. That's the easy part. Up top, I have x minus 4 from this numerator right here. But we have to subtract this. So I'm showing all my work here, trying to be a good student. I have x minus 4 minus, now I have to distribute, so minus x and then plus 4. This is all over 2 parentheses x minus 2. All right, now I combine like terms. X minus x is 0. They go away. Negative 4 plus 4 is 0. They go away. So I'm left with 0 over 2 parentheses x minus 2. So the answer is just 0. That's it. All right, no fraction, just 0. Number 10. Big denominator here, so 2a plus 4, a minus 1. Then up top I have a plus 1. I have to subtract this whole thing. So it would be minus 3a plus 2. So this would be a plus 1 minus 3a minus 2. It's all over 2 parentheses a plus 4, a minus 1. I'm going to combine like terms up top. Why not? So I have a plus minus 3a is negative 2a. And then I have 1 minus 2, which is negative 1. And that's all over 2, a plus 4, a minus 1. Now, up top, you could factor out a negative 1 if you really chose to. You'd be left with 2a plus 1, and this is all over 2 parentheses a plus 4, a minus 1, but nothing goes away. So either one of those would be a correct answer in my book. Happy with either of them. All right, which one looks more fun? Probably number 11. Let's try number 11. So I have 4x plus 4 minus x plus 3. The denominators are the same, so I'm just going to rewrite 8x, x minus 2. Now, this is 4x plus 4 minus x minus 3 when you distribute the negative here. So that means I end up with, I'll rewrite this. So this is the same thing as 3x plus 1 is my new numerator over 8x parentheses x minus 2. Nothing goes away. That's it. All right. Let's see where I'm at. Let's do one more of these. Maybe 14. 14 looks like it could be a little bit more fun. So we'll try it out. I'm going to go ahead and factor the denominator first. It's going to be my first thing. They match up already, so I can go ahead and factor it. So 4r, take that out, you're left with r plus 4. Now my numerator is r plus 4 from right here, and I'm subtracting just 2r. So then it gives me negative r plus 4 all over 4r, and then r plus 4. Okay, now up top, if you wanted to, you could look at it this way. If I take out a negative, I get a negative 1, and then I'd have r minus 4 in there. This is all over 4r, r plus 4. So this is just showing you that these are not the same thing. They do not go away. This is our final answer. That's all you can do. Okay? All right, where am I at now? Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and factor the denominator number 15. Yeah, 15. So I'm going to factor that. Two numbers are multiplied to negative 8 and add up to negative 2 are 6 and... No. What am I talking about? 6. Come on, tighten up. It's going to be 4 and 2 as long as I make the 4 negative. So my denominator is p minus 4 and p plus 2. Because the denominator was not factored for us. Now up top, we have p plus 2 minus this. P minus 1. So I have p plus 2 minus p plus 1 from here and here. Still all over. P minus 4 and p plus 2. Then I'm going to combine like terms. The p's go away. I just get 3. So 3 over p minus 4, p plus 2. All right. Let's see what else we have. Nothing. Good. So thank you for your time.